Welcome to my channel. This is the third video of the build of my N-scale train track. If you want to follow me in the whole process of building this table, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for further videos. Since I draw the basic track layout on the table, I can now put the cork on it for the train bed with some wood glue. So what we're gonna do now is, since we have put this already in, we're gonna locate the switches of where they're going to be. So I have here a switch from Minitrix, and this one is an electronic switch in which we have the switcher itself. Usually if you do the if you're gonna build a track, you attach them together, make sure that the pin is set right, and now you can electronically switch that by putting AC voltage on this track for a very brief moment. So you only have to switch it. That moves the switch straight, or it moves the switch into a curve. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same switch, but I'm going to put it upside down so I can put it into the table so that I have a flat surface. So I'm going to use this switch to be mounted over here in this curve, so it will be positioned around here. I'm gonna make this curve and make that curve, and I'm gonna do a straight line to the front. As you may have seen in the previous vlog, I put the track around here. I changed it actually, I moved it on a slightly better curve down here so that it's gonna be straight to the inner line. This one I will be scrubbing off or sanding off, and this area won't be seen because there will be a top place over here. So going back to the switch, so this is the switch which will be positioned here. This is a this electronic switch is for the switch over here when you put it on top of it, but I'm gonna put it underneath, so I flip it over and I'm gonna put it here. So, but we carefully need to locate where this switch is gonna be. I'm using screws put them in. So they are very tiny screws. I have a tiny screwdriver as well. It's this one. And I need to position the switch correctly so that I can make the right turn here. This is a straight through, so it's gonna be here. So I'm gonna screw this already down. And you can also use nails, but I prefer to use screws. In case something goes wrong, you can still remove it from your table. So I'm only going to put it in with 2 screws for the moment. Because this will be a temporary track for now, before I'm gonna attach everything. This curve is actually correct, so this is actually correct. That's it. So usually these switches come with metal strips. So this one here, for example, doesn't have one to interconnect the rails. So you slide it in, and then it makes a connection to the rails. Since this will be in several sections, so this will be a powered section between the rails, and this area will be a powered section, that area will be a powered section. I'm gonna for now I'm gonna make the connection with the tools which I have, but later on I'm gonna make some cuts so that I have separate sections, but that's what I'm gonna do that later on. We need to put some power on the rails, so I will be soldering them from the bottom up. So I will be drilling holes through the position where the rails is located, and then we continue. So I prepared a piece of track, soldered some wires on it, and I will check if the track itself runs smoothly. So first we're gonna put the train on the track. So it's on there. Let's see. works. So that will be